It's invisible, it's insidious, and it's claiming tens of thousands of lives each year. This is the air of Lahore. On some days, the air quality index soars past 400, a level considered hazardous for every person who takes a breath. Where does this crisis come from? The sources are all around us. Our industries often operate without emission controls, and across Punjab, the seasonal crop burning fills the skies with particulate matter. These factors converge, creating a toxic cocktail that blankets entire provinces. The human cost is staggering. In Pakistan, air pollution is responsible for over 130,000 premature deaths annually. But behind that number are millions more suffering from asthma, lung disease, and heart conditions. But this is a fight we can win. We must transition to renewable energy, like solar and wind. This is an investment in our very survival. The time for action is now. It all starts with the very next breath we take. Let's fight for it.
Next stop is